In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Patreon to Freshbooks. We'll be using Zapier to create an automated workflow between the two platforms. This is a helpful way to streamline your process, especially if you want Patreon activity to trigger something in Freshbooks without doing everything manually. To get started, head over to Zapier and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Create button. Click that and then choose Zap Workflows. This will open the Zap Builder, where you'll set up the automation step by step. The first part of your Zap is the trigger, which tells Zapier what event should start the workflow. In the builder, click on Trigger. Then, in the search bar for apps, type in Patreon. When Patreon appears in the results, select it as your trigger app. Next, you'll need to choose the specific event from Patreon that will launch the automation. On the left-hand side, click into the Choose an Event field. Type in New Pledge, and then select New Pledge from the list. This means the Zap will begin whenever a new pledge is created in Patreon. After that, move to the Account section. In the Account area, click Sign In and connect your Patreon account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to complete the sign-in process and authorize access. Make sure you're connecting the correct Patreon account, since this is the source of the data for your automation. Once your Patreon trigger is connected, you're ready to move on to the next part of the workflow. Click the plus sign or select the action block in the Zapier builder. This is where you define what should happen after the Patreon trigger is activated. In the Action App search, choose Freshbooks. Selecting Freshbooks here tells Zapier that after a new pledge happens in Patreon, the next step in your workflow should happen inside Freshbooks. At this stage, you've successfully set up the basic connection structure between Patreon and Freshbooks in Zapier. Patreon starts the automation, and Freshbooks receives the action. From here, you can continue configuring the details based on the exact result you want inside Freshbooks. As a quick tip, before turning the automation on, it's always a good idea to double-check that the correct apps and event selections are in place. That helps prevent setup issues later and makes the workflow more reliable. And that's how to begin connecting Patreon to Freshbooks using Zapier.